they say that they shut up their house. They lied to the cops and they got arrested Saturday morning. So they're trying to go after everybody that or friends with me again. So they took my license plates off to put them on my dad's
truck.
Huh?
He put them on your dad's truck?
Yeah, yep. My license plates.
That cop can get in trouble. They pulled him over yesterday.
They did?
Yeah. Look at that dog. Look at that. Yeah, that cop gave him a chance and gave him a warning. Told him to go home.
The blue truck or?
No, that cop that came over here, that young kid, the sheriff's department.
Oh, did you pull over the blue one or the red?
That blue one.
Well, they left this morning.
Yeah, that cop is good. Might as well just say goodbye to the truck and leave them people alone.
I'm not even messing with them. It's kind of messed up that they're getting after.
Yeah, Jim got after Scott.
Saying that I'm the one that sent them over there to go shut the house. I said that's a bunch of bull. So they got all three of them got Corey. And Corey's mom, huh? And Corey's mom hasn't done anything. She's always been working. And I don't know how they figure out their names and everything, but they did.
Go play in the water. Ah. That dog on drugs, guys. I don't know. Grab the water bottle out of this. We have more inbound coming soon. I think it's gonna be happening all week. Pretty bad. Got herself a little sinkhole, little water sinkhole thing. This is my neighbor's house, and this is a very deep spot. As you can see, my other neighbor's dog is having fun in the water. Oh my god.